Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi Note 10 Pro, and today I'll show you how to put this device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, hold power key, select power off, and once the device turns off you want to hold power key and volume down. Both keys at the same time, so start right now, power, volume down. And there we go, we are now in the Fastboot mode. So that is how you boot this device into this mode. And once you're done with it, you're going to leave this mode. What you need to do is simply hold the power key till the screen turns off. Give it a moment and the device will just simply boot back up into Android. And there we go, as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.